History Place. It has gorgeous walnut flooring, trade ceiling here in the entry, so a very nice entry. The grand room here is absolutely gorgeous. It's got 10-foot ceilings, and it continues with the walnut hardwood floor. And it has great views of the screen porch. At least that's what we call it in Chicago, a screen porch. But here in Florida, they call it a lanai. Walk outside so you can see the lanai. So it's got pavers, screened in, and beautiful views of the yard. Bugs won't get you here. And look, just look at the privacy of this yard. Beautiful, isn't it? And the kitchen is open. Look at the cabinets, aren't they pretty? And the large granite-topped island. And it also has another feature that's really cool. So in the front over there, you've got the dishwasher and, under a cabinet sink. But on the other side, you have more storage. We have a little mudroom area over here. There is a pantry. Pretty good size. There's also a laundry room. The attached 2-car garage. So you can get a big old truck in here. And there's plenty of storage racks. And there's also overhead storage in the attic above. It is floored attic space. And I want to show you the master bedroom. It's on the other side of the house, away from the other 2 bedrooms, which is nice. It has a little entry area here with the lighted niches. And it's a pretty large master bedroom. It also has great views of the lanai and the private backyard. Entry to the master bath. And there are 2 his and hers closets that are pretty large. Hers. We have a large floor-to-ceiling tiled walk-in shower and a really, really deep tub. There's also 2 linen closets. These 2 bedrooms are off to themselves, so it's kind of nice and private. Bathroom. The tub and a tiled shower surround. You just imagine being out here with a hammock? Wouldn't that be great right here? I think that's a great niche right there for a hammock.